the build quality, make sure it's pretty decent. So see if I can get this cover off. We'll take a look at everything. All right, so looking at this inverter, it's hard to believe the build quality for the, check out the capacitor banks down there in the heat sinks. We got ducted conductors coming off the board, going to our hardwire connection, and our receptacle. They're using a solid bus bar setup going down to the board. So looks like it. And yes, it appears to be tin coated copper. You can see I made a few scratches through the tin coating, locked down with some anti-tamper sealant. So if you were to adjust those, you're gonna break that seal.